At the Idaho Press Tribune, managing editor Rick Kaufman wanted the facts, so he assigned a reporter to check out sales of Cabbage Patch dolls. The Bachelor editor issued one further instruction. If you find one, buy it for me. The reporter succeeded.
I was showing it to everybody in the newsroom and yucking it up, saying, hey, I've got a doll, costs $35 by Christmas time. I'm going to make hundreds on this thing, or who knows what I'm going to make.
But Kaufman's plans for profit were quickly foiled. Monday, Jacob, his Cabbage Patch prize, disappeared from his locked car here in the newspaper parking lot. A ransom note and picture of an obviously menaced Jacob soon followed.
We've got the kid. Don't call the cops or your Cabbage kid will be coleslaw.
Then came a taped message.
The demands that must be met to
A
secure
group
the
calling itself the December 25th Committee demanded that Kaufman place an ad in his paper. Kaufman complied.
I'm afraid that if I don't follow these demands, I'm going to get an ear and arm in the mail next, and every little kid in America is going to hate me.
Suspecting an inside joke, he cast around the newsroom for guilty faces. But his staffers weren't talking. Was it somebody here who did it?
I have no idea.
I was out of town.
The newspaper has a very strict policy against its staff being associated with terrorist groups.
Today, another picture arrived, Jacob with his hooded hostage takers. Meanwhile, on this cold Idaho day, the man who admittedly adopted Jacob for the cold cash was professing some warmer thoughts about fatherhood.
I'm beginning now to have some feeling for the little guy. I will do whatever needs to be done to get Jacob Wyatt back.
David Dow, CBS